Good evening, teacher. My name is Edgar Quispe. I am in 8th year course HC. I am going to talk about my town. In my neighborhood, there is a shopping mall. In my neighborhood, there is a police station. In my neighborhood, there is a shop. In my neighborhood, there is a cinema. In my neighborhood, there is a stadium. In my neighborhood, there are 5 restaurants. In my neighborhood, there aren't pet shops. In my neighborhood, there are more barbershops. In my neighborhood, there aren't workshops of cars. In my neighborhood, there are 6 book steps. Thank you, teacher. See you in the next class.